In this video, we will show you the two most important track types, audio tracks and MIDI tracks, and their basic functions. Audio tracks can play back and record audio files, represented as a waveform in your DAW. To create an audio track, go to Create, Insert Audio Track, or use the dedicated keyboard shortcut. MIDI tracks can play back and record MIDI data, such as note pitch, note length, and note velocity. To create a MIDI track, go to Create, Insert MIDI Track, or use the dedicated keyboard shortcut. All tracks are linked to a channel in the mixer and have a set of default controls. Use this slider to adjust the volume of a track. You can also double-click this box and type in the desired value. Use this knob to adjust the panning of a track, which determines its placement in the stereo image. To temporarily listen to one track only, click on the S button to put it in solo mode. To temporarily silence a track, click on the track number to mute it. Now you have learned the basic functionality of audio and MIDI tracks.